Okay, today we are providing a video of class 5 computer hands-on for DAV students. Before discussion, this is my humble suggestion to humble viewer, subscribe my channel SK Singh Bikramganj. Image in a document OpenOffice.Organization Writer. Introduction. Alice was enjoying herself in the party where she learned about some more features of Writer. The party is still on. It means going on. Alice was busy conversing with Mr. Autospell and Mrs. Speller when suddenly she saw Mr. Funt approaching towards her. Coming, Mr. Font, Alice, I hope you are having a gala time in the party. Alice, yes, it's fun. Mr. Funt, why don't you join us, Alice? I want you to meet my son, Mr. Art. What is the name of son? Mr. Art. Do you know font work for graphical text? Graphical text art is used to create 2D and 3D graphical text art objects. This is 2 dimension and this is 3 dimension. 1, 2 and 3. Now next thing. Alice, oh, it's my pleasure. Alice thanked Mr. Autospell and Miss Speller and followed Mr. Funt to the nearby table, where she saw a little boy who was busy writing his name on the card. His handwriting was really stylish. Alice was impressed by his talent and wanted to learn about it. Master Art told Alice that he has a set of tools which helped him to work on fonts and create graphical text art and objects. He then explained all tools in detail. Master Art, before going into depth, I would like to show you a simple sample of what I have created using FontWork toolbar. Alice, oh, they are really nice. They are saying this is nice. Master Art, you can also write the text in any style of your choice. Alice, but where can I find this option in Writer? Here, to create a FontWork object, follow the steps listed below. Click on View first time, then Toolbars, then FontWork to enable the required toolbar. Okay. Step 2, on the FontWork toolbar, click the FontWork gallery icon. Step 3, you will find many different FontWork styles in the dialog box. From the dialog, select the desired FontWork style and click OK. The FontWork object will be inserted into the document. Now you can insert. Double click the object to activate text edit mode. Replace the default FontWork text with your own text as shown in the figure. Press accelerator to exit text edit mode. Alice, that seems to be simple, but I don't like the color of the text. Is there any way to change it? Master Art, you can not only change the color but many other properties as well. Now to edit FontWork attributes, click the FontWork object. If the FontWork object is inserted in the background, hold down the Ctrl key while you click. Select the properties from the drawing object properties toolbar. You can change the line width, line color, fill style, etc. Let me tell you the use of other icons tools. In addition to the FontWork gallery icon, this toolbar contains the following icons. FontWork shape is used to change the shape of the selected object. FontWork same letter heights, FontWork same letter. FontWork alignment, FontWork character spacing, a space, you have to take a space. Now book question. font text, font size, font color. Hands on. Here Alice C, this A, this D, this B. While Alice was busy writing her name and exploring different font work options, there came a thin dwarf who came wearing multicolored a jacket. One was carrying a small digital camera. You know about camera. And here I am used for inserting pictures. If you are interested, I will explain you in detail. I am used for inserting pictures in the document. Alice, why do you require pictures in our document? Mr. Picture. Mr. Pictures help to illustrate the text we have written in our document and makes it more attractive. For attraction, you should take picture. Okay? Try to understand. Alice, but how do you do that? Now to insert picture to the document. Step first, open the document in which the picture is to be inserted and click at the required picture. Click on Insert Picture from File from the menu bar. A step to insert picture dialog box will open as shown below. From Insert Picture, here you are seeing picture of this. Select picture, click Open. That is really simple. You know how can you take a picture. So why don't you try this on your own? You should try your own. Mr. Pick, this picture is too big. Can we change its size? Mr. Pick, why not? You can change the size of this picture as per your choice. You can also reduce or even enlarge it both horizontally and vertically to resize any picture. Resize. What is the meaning of resize? You may make a size according to your opinion, according to your mind. First method, click the picture you need to resize. Choose picture option from format menu. Format picture dialog box will open. From size option in type tab, increase or decrease the value of width and height to resize the picture. Do you know? Cropping is used to remove the unwanted portion from any picture. What thing? Cropping means remove the unwanted portion. If there is unwanted portion, using cropping you can remove it. Second method is also present. Alice, can I do any other editing in my picture? Here are steps to create any picture. Click the picture you need to crop. Choose picture option from format menu. Step 2. Format picture editing box opens up. Using options of crop tab, you can edit the picture. The two main options in this tab are keep a scale, keep image size, original size. Return the selected graphics to the original size. To open the picture dialog box, select the picture, click on format. Select the picture, click on format picture wrap. The 6 wrapping styles available are none, before, after, parallel, through, optional. What are these? None, before, after, parallel, through, optional. Wrap setting after. What things are you saying? Here wrap setting after. Now next thing, gallery. You are seeing gallery in the mobile. Same thing, gallery is the storehouse of pictures. To open gallery, click on tools menu, gallery. Inserting objects from the gallery. You can insert an object in a document either as copy or as a link. If you copy an object, it is independent of the original object. Changes to the original objects that have no effect on the copy. If a link is created, it remains dependent on the original object. Changes to the original object are also reflected in the link. Inserting an object as a copy. Open the gallery by clicking the gallery icon on the standard bar or by selecting Tools Gallery. Select a theme. Select an object using single click. You have to do a single click. Drag the object into the document or right click to open the context menu and select Insert and Copy. Inserting an object as a link. You know this thing. Inserting an object as a background graphic. You know this thing. How can you insert a background graphic? Computer, environment, peoples, symbols, rulers. Yes, it is possible. Tools, gallery, new theme. Select any theme. Select any them. It was 9:30 and dark outside. The party was over, but Alice was afraid of going out all alone. Miss Gallery could easily see the nervousness on her face, and so she invited Alice to spend night with them at their house. Let us see what happens at Mrs. Gallery's house in the next chapter. Okay, next thing we want to discuss all these things in next chapter. Now, one suggestion to my humble viewer to subscribe my channel humbly. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.